everyone, welcome to the Dawn Kitchen. Guys, the Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? Oatmeal fruit cake. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. And to all my supporter, YouTubers, subscriber, follower, a big warm welcome to you. Let's get started. 3 tablespoons melted butter, walnut, 1 cup of whole milk, 1 cup buttermilk, 3 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon rose water, 1.5 teaspoon vanilla, blueberry, just a handful of blueberries, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ cup maple syrup, 2 to 3 eggs, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 cup flour, 2 cup oatmeal or 1.5 cup, some green cherries and red cherries. And of course I have some raisin and I have it in some whole milk just for it to plump up, to soak and come soft. In a bowl, put the oatmeal, come in with our buttermilk, and I pour the old milk, and I add the salt, and I add the butter and mix. Add our powdered sugar, mix, vanilla, maple syrup, rose water, let us sieve the flour, the baking powder and the cinnamon powder together. Always sieve for lumps and any object in it. You see that, guys? Yeah. So that's the reason you sieve, and for air to go through and your pastry looking light. And of course we need a little piece of nutmeg. Like 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. You don't have the nutmeg to grate, you can always use a ground nutmeg. I'm going to add the cinnamon and the flour. This is the milk and the raisin, the blueberries. For the walnut, you're just going to break it in. Just use a finger like this, they're very soft, so you don't have to chop them, just use a finger. And you're not using all the walnut, we're just going to leave back this. I'm going to show you what I'm doing with it. And you put some of the cherries in. This is the baking tin I'm using, and I'm gonna grease it with some oil. And it's a non-stick, but I don't have to grease it, guys, because it's a non-stick, but extra precaution, I like to do that. So it's 5 minutes, and this is a consistency that you want your oatmeal fruit cake to have. So beautiful people, you're watching the video today and you like what you see and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video with a friend. If you don't like the video, then YouTube feels like the video is not worthwhile to be seen. So when you like the video, it's best. So now we're gonna pour and go around with it like that. Spin around. Now we're going to sprinkle with the rest of walnut that we have here. Remember, you just break it up. Just break it up with your hand, just like that, your fingers, and just sprinkle on top. And you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. This is my blueberries, some that I left back. And of course our cherries. Just going to break it up. You really don't need a knife. Guys, don't be afraid to use your hands, your fingers. So guys, look at this. The oatmeal fruit cake is now ready to pop in the oven. So just follow me over to the oven to see what I'm doing. So see you back in 45 minutes time, guys. Oat fruit cake is now baked, and when it bakes you have to let it cool. So it's cool. It takes basically 45 minutes. So I will be taking it from the baking tin now. So when it's cool, you're able to hold it and all of that. I'm just going to turn the pan down just like that and just leave it there for like a second so it can be released from the baking pan. So now we're gonna lift the pan up. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh man. And I'm just gonna flip it over because I need a top. So bear with me now, guys, while I cut this oatmeal fruit cake. So this is a healthy fruit cake. You see our cake, guys? Yeah. So give it a try, beautiful people. I wanna bite in this, but it's too thick. So let me cut a next little piece from it to bite in. Oatmeal fruit cake. OMG, guys, give it a try. I'm telling you, it tastes so good. I'm lost for word. So beautiful people, I thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience and everything. I love you all. Peace and love, and I see you on the next one. Bye for now.